Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're going to make chicken spinach mushroom risotto. I'm so excited to be doing this. I love risotto. We're going to use this beautiful arborio rice, olive oil, and I'm going to use a little bit of apple cider vinegar for some acidity, black pepper, kosher sea salt. This is beautiful, but regular table salt is fine. Our butter, spinach, Parmesan, dill, garlic, onion, chicken, and of course our mushrooms. Now you can use either baby Bella, but I also have this beautiful gourmet blend of mushrooms, which includes shiitake, oyster, and portobello. So I'm going to experiment and use this pretty blend. Plus I'm going to put these in too. I love mushrooms. So let me get everything mise en place and I'll show you how to make it.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring more recipes.
I have a large saucepan here over medium-high heat, and we're going to add in a tablespoon of olive oil. There we go. And we're going to saute our garlic. These are 2 cloves of garlic. And I'm just going to eyeball half of the onions. We're going to save the other half. And we're going to saute these until they are tender. I'm beginning to get a little bit of golden brown color on the edges, so now we're going to want to brown our chicken. I have 2 pounds, a little bit more than 2 pounds of bone-in, skin-on chicken quarters, which is a thigh. There we go, and the drumstick, and we're going to get those in here. I'm going to do skin side down first and brown it. It's going to take maybe a couple minutes on each side, and then we're going to rotate and continue to brown the other side as well. That's been browning for quite a while, so now I'm just going to turn over the pieces and get it browned on the other side. So we got some nice browning going. Now that they've been browning, we're going to add in our water. So we're going to add in 6 cups of water, bring this to a boil, turn it down to a simmer, and simmer it for 40 minutes. Once you've got a rapid boil going, let's turn it down, and we're going to cover it and let it simmer for 40 minutes. That timer just went off, so let's check on our chicken broth. Ah, look how beautiful that is. So we're gonna set this aside, and when it cools, I'm gonna take out the chicken, and we're gonna strain off the broth and use this for our recipe. And I'm gonna remove the chicken skin and bones and shred the chicken meat and use it in our recipe. Now we're gonna start in our skillet. I'm gonna add to it a tablespoon of olive oil and our 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. We're going to melt that, and what we're going to do is we're going to saute our onions, and then we will add in our mushrooms. Now that the butter has melted, we're going to add in our onions, and we're going to saute those until they are translucent. Now that I've got a light golden brown color on the edges, we're going to add in all those beautiful mushrooms, and these are our baby portobello, shiitake, and oyster mushrooms, and we're going to saute these until they are really nice and tender. They're going to shrink quite a bit, actually. And as you can see, our mushrooms have reduced quite a bit, and they're getting a nice little golden brown color on it. So now what we want to do is we want to add our 1.5 cups of arborio rice. And we're going to pour this in, and what you want to do is stir it and coat all of those grains of rice. And now we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. And now we're going to add in our chicken broth. Now we're only going to add in about a 1/2 cup at a time. So this is our 4-cup measuring cup. And we want to keep stirring it until all of that liquid has been absorbed. So this is going to take a while. And you want to make sure you get the bottom of the pan so none of your rice is sticking to it. So as soon as you see that most of that liquid has evaporated, you're now going to add in another 1/2 cup. And you keep doing this consistently until all of the liquid has been absorbed. All 4 cups of our broth have been cooked in, and you can see it's really smooth and creamy. We can see the grains of the rice, it's not mushy. And now we want to add in our spinach. This is actually 5 ounces of spinach, baby spinach, and we're going to wilt that in. Once all your spinach is cooked in, we're now going to add in our Parmesan. This is a 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan. And now we're going to add in our seasonings, our 1 teaspoon of dill, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of our kosher salt. We're gonna mix all of that in together, and then we're gonna put the chicken back in. There we go. That's all of the chicken off of our bones. I'm gonna stir that chicken in. Oh, it looks so good. This looks so delicious. I can't wait to try it. It smells wonderful. Let's get this on our plate, and I'm gonna add a little more cheese on the top. Here is our beautiful chicken spinach mushroom risotto. I'm gonna sprinkle on some more of this beautiful shredded Parmesan. Oh, I love it. And a couple of bits of our dill. And that just looks absolutely phenomenal. I cannot wait to try. Oh, that was absolutely phenomenal. I cannot wait to dig in. Thank you so much for watching. This is our chicken spinach mushroom risotto. I hope it inspires you to make it at home. Take care, everybody. Bye. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.